Good morning, my dear students. All of you on your videos and sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. Okay, we are discussing about measures of length, mass, and capacity. Okay, already in yesterday's class we discussed about addition of length, or mass, and capacity, and subtractions also. In this one, subtractions also we learned in yesterday's class. Okay, in today's class I am going to explain measures of length, mass, and capacity, how to add, how to subtract in word problems. Okay, in your textbook, page number 111. Take out the textbook, everyone. In your textbook, 6th bit, that is review exercise only, 6th bit. Already up to 5th bit completed. Addition, and 5th bit is subtraction completed. Now 6th bit, answer the following questions. Okay, that is first one. A rope is 12 meters, 84 centimeters long. Another rope, 8 meters, 30 centimeters is attached to it. What is the total length of both the ropes? Okay, here rope length given and another rope length also given. We have to do total length of rope. What we do here? We have to do addition. Okay. Answer the following questions. First one is rope is write down from your textbook. See and complete. 12 meters, 84 centimeters long. Another rope, 8 meters, 30 centimeters is attached to it. What is the total length of both the ropes? Okay. First you read the problem and understand this one first. What given in problem? Okay, first rope length given. What is 12 meters, 84 centimeters? That is rope length. Next one, 8 meters, 30 centimeters. What is 8 meters, 30 centimeters? That is also another rope length. Okay. Now, these two ropes are attached to it. Then, what is the length of, what is the total length of both ropes? Okay, both the ropes. Here, first step is length of rope. Length of rope. That is 12 meters, 84 centimeters. This is 84 centimeters. Next, length of another rope. another rope. That is 8 meters 30 centimeters. Okay? 8 meters 30 centimeters. First length of rope, length of another rope. Here two ropes are there. So we have to find out total length of the both the ropes. What we do? Total, sum of, all together. These terms are used for addition. In previous classes we learned this one. Okay, now we have to do here addition. First centimeters. Centimeters here 84 centimeters and 40 centimeters. Add 84 and 40. 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. Next 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 is carrying number. So take carrying here 1 and write here 1 centimeters. Next 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. Very good. 11, 1 carrying, write 1 here. And next 1 plus 1 is 2. 21 meters, 40 centimeters. Okay. 21 meters, 14 centimeters. What is this? 21 meters, 14 centimeters is total length of the both the ropes. Right, confirmation. Last step. Total length of the both the ropes. Both the ropes. That is 21 meters, 14 centimeters. Okay, students? Did you understand? In this problem, if you have any doubt, raise your hand. Just first you read the problem. You understand that one first. What given in this problem? What given? First, what is 12 meters, 84 centimeters? Next, what is 8 meters, 30 centimeters? First we have to understand. Okay, next we have to write steps. Next, what we have to find out from this problem. Okay, first what? Length of rope, that is 12 meters, 84 centimeters. Next, the length of another rope. Another rope also given here. So, what is the length of another rope? Length of another rope is 8 meters, 30 centimeters. Add this length. What is the answer? 21 meters, 14 centimeters. We have to find out from this problem. What we have to find out? This is the total length of both the ropes. Okay? Did you understand, children? Okay, complete it. Write this. Okay, next we will see one more problem. Second one. Yes, second one. What is that one? Same page number 111 only, ma. Page number 111. Second one. I traveled 324 kilometers, 275 meters. Okay. I traveled 324 kilometers, 275 meters on a car. Okay. I traveled distance by car. How much distance? 324 kilometers, 275 meters. Next, and 72 kilometers, 500 meters on a scooter. I traveled some more distance also. But what is the how much distance? 72 kilometers, 500 meters. That is on scooter. Okay, now what we have to find out? What distance did I travel in all? Okay, what distance did I travel in all? Okay, the total distance I traveled in the car, on the scooter. Okay, now write the steps. First write the problem. Second one. I traveled 324 kilometers, 275 meters on a car. I 72 kilometers, 500 meters, 100 meters on a scooter. On a scooter. What distance? What distance did I travel? Did I travel in all? Travel in all. Okay. First one, what is 324 kilometers, 275 meters? First, I traveled distance on a car. Okay. Next, what is 72 kilometers, 500 meters? I traveled distance on a scooter. Next, what we have to find out here? The total distance I traveled. The total distance I traveled on a car and on a scooter. Okay. First step. First step is the distance I traveled in the car. No, total distance. Here we have to find out total distance. What we do? Addition only. No. Go to subtraction. What distance did I travel in all? In all. All word term used for addition. Okay, Nirma. Sorry, Manisha. The distance I travel. The distance I travel on a car. On a car, 324 kilometers, 275 meters. Next. Same step. But here on a car, instead of on a car, we have to write on a scooter. I travel on a scooter. That is 72 kilometers, 500 meters. Add the both distance. Okay, add the both distance. 5 plus 0, 5. First meters, add the meters. Next 7 plus 0, 7. Next 2 plus 5, 7. Next 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 7, 9. 3. 396 kilometers, 775 meters. Okay, 396 kilometers, 775 meters. This is the the total distance I traveled on a car and on a scooter. Okay, in all. The total distance I traveled in all. In all means, what is the meaning of all here? Yes, on a car and on a scooter. Okay, the total distance I traveled in on a car and on a scooter. Both. So what is the answer? 396 kilometers, 775 meters. Okay. Did you understand this problem? First one and second one. Sixth bit, first one and second one. Did you understand, Emma? Okay, in these two problems, if you have any doubt, ask me. Okay, understanding. Very good. Okay, next, okay, I will explain third one also. But after the explanation worksheet, I will explain third one. Okay, first I am going to explain worksheet, children. I think worksheet up to day 15 completed. But still, if you have any doubt, ask me in worksheet. From day 1 to, I will explain once again. Listen to me, children. First, take out the worksheet. First, from day 1 to, once again, I am explaining. Once you listen and you complete it. If you have any doubt, ask me. And first in day 1. In day 1, additions are there. Okay. You know already how to do addition. You complete that one. Next, in day 2, subtractions are there. Okay, subtractions. One example also given here. In day 2, subtract the following. Okay, next in day 3, addition properties. Addition properties. Okay, up to day 15 I will explain, Manisha. Okay, up to day 15 I will explain. First, from day 1 to listen. In day 3, just fill in the blanks given. Mobile. Okay, take. In day 3, in order of the change, addition properties. When I am explaining addition, then I explain properties also. In order of the change also we get same answer. Same that one only given. From day, based on that one, you have to complete these fill in the blanks, children. That is day 3. And next in day 4, addition word problems given. Okay, addition word problems given. One example already given. And next 2 are there. The 2 are complete in your worksheet, Amma. If it is not sufficient place, you have to complete in your notebook also. You don't worry. Next in day 5, subtraction word problems are there. Okay, here also one example given. And next remaining 2, you complete. In day 6, just here choose the correct option. Okay, choose the correct option. The sum of means add the 2 numbers. Okay, add the numbers. Next, difference means we have to do subtraction. Here, first one, the sum of 2 numbers given. How much is 65,421 more than 1,000 given? Here, you have to do subtraction. Next, the sum of means addition. The difference means subtraction. Next one also you have to do subtraction, children, and complete these one. Day 6. And next day 7. These one also. First one is choose the correct option only. Here also addition and subtractions only are there. Complete these one also. First one is subtraction and second one also subtraction and third one also subtraction. Next fifth one also, fourth one also subtraction. But third one and fourth one, estimate the answer. Just nearer which number you have to choose that answer only. Okay. Next in day 7, multiplications are given. Simple multiplications only, not with expanded form. Okay, just you have to do general multiplication, how to do. You have to do like that only. Okay, next in day 9, with expanding multiplication. Okay, expanding the numbers first. Expand the number 847. First you have to expand the number and multiply by 6 each term. 800 into 6, 40 into 6, and 7 into 6. Okay, you have to do like that. Next, in day 9, what is day 9? It's day 9 completed, and day 10. Just write the products. Write the products. 43 into 10. 43 tens are 430. Multiplication properties, when I am explaining multiplication properties, then I explained how to do multiply by 10 and 100 and 1000. Okay. Vandana, Varshita, don't disturb Amma. Sit properly and listen. And in day 11, multiplications are there. Multiply by 2-digit number. Okay. Next in day 12, multiply by 3-digit number. But here multiply by in 3-digit number. Here 325 into 132. Next one more 2 also given. That is erase it. Okay, cut it. In day 12, one more 2 also given. That is wrong. Okay, just one more 2, erase it. Right? Do multiplication, that is multiply by 3-digit number. Next one also solve the following. That is word problems of multiplications. Next in day 13, multiplications of order of the change also we get same answer. Multiplication properties, this one also. Complete that one. Next in day 14, in day 14, what is there? Once you see, get into pairs. You may roll 3 dice together. Next, see the number shown on all the die sign, write all the digits. First, do you know dice? Dice. Snake and ladder. When I am playing snake and ladder, we are using dice. Okay. On dice, we are seeing numbers, dots. Dots also we are observing dots. 1, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots, 6 dots, 6 dots. Okay, like that we have to observe. So you are see the number shown on all the die sign, write the all the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Your partner will roll one die sign, write the digit shown on dice. Now first the digits on the 3 dice. First 3 dice on the dice, which digits are there? First you have to write in first columns, first blanks. Make a 3-digit number. For example, 3 members are playing this game. Here dice. This is the dice. 3 members are playing. First here on dice 2-digit number and one more. Another one dice have 3 digits and another one have 4 digits. Here, what is the 3-digit number here? 234. Write that one, 234. The digit shown on dice. Make a 3-digit number and the digit shown on dice. Next, the product of the 3-digit number and 1-digit number. First, the product, multiply. What is the product of these numbers? Write that one. Unmute this chapter. Okay. Next, day 15. Continue this activity only, Amma. Day 14 and day 15, same activity. Same next. Make digit cards from 0 to 9. Get into pairs. 2 members. Here, play 2 members. Next, each one of you will then shuffle on the cards and take out 5 cards from 5-digit number. Take the 5 cards. You have prepared 9 cards, 0 to 9 cards. This 2 are playing. The 2 are 1 member. Take 5 cards. Then that number is 5-digit number. What is that number? Right. Next, the one who has formed the bigger number will find the difference between two numbers. I took from 9 cards I took here 2, 3, 7, 4, 5. 5 cards. From these one, we have to write 5-digit number. What is the 5-digit number? Biggest 5-digit. Bigger number. Greatest 5-digit number. 75,432. Okay. Next, one more number also. One more boy or girl. Okay, two members are here. Parents are playing now. One more boy or girl taking 1. Next 0 to 9. So 0. Next 4, 6, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how can we write these from these digits? 5-digit number 96,410. 96,410. Here the greatest 5-digit number. Here greatest 5-digit number. You have to find out difference. Subtract these numbers. You have to subtract. Then we can find out the answer. Okay. Here I took these cards, but you took your own numbers, but from 0 to 9 numbers only. Okay. Next, the other one will find the sum of the two numbers. Here I did here subtract. What is the difference from both numbers? And next here, what asking next one? What is the sum of? Sum of means add the two numbers. Simply have to write numbers and add the both numbers. Then what is the sum of these numbers and what is the difference of these numbers? You have to write here answers. That is only day 14 and day 13. Sorry, day 15. Okay. Still now if you have any doubt, you ask me. From day 14 and day 15. Okay, already our mathematics class time completed, children. Okay, if you have any doubt, you personally call me. And next, Svecha Pravasi, do you have worksheet? Svecha Pravasi. Unmute yourself. Svecha. Unmute yourself. She gone. Svecha. Did you take your worksheet? I think you did not take. So today come to school and collect your worksheet, Amma. Okay, already 15 days completed. When did you complete your worksheet? Okay, those who are not collect worksheet, those members immediately you collect your worksheet, Amma. Come to school and collect your worksheet. Okay, don't neglect children. Okay. Okay, children. I hope you understand this class. Okay, thank you.